Hi, welcome to my channel RX Sam 2020. My name is Sam and I am pharmacist. Today we see mostly useful information of drug vildagliptin. It is anti-hyperglycemic agent and used in treatment of diabetes. About vildagliptin. Vildagliptin is an oral anti-hyperglycemic agent or anti-diabetic drug of the dipeptyl peptidase 4 or DPP4 inhibitor class of drugs. Vildagliptin is used in treatment of type 2 diabetes along with other anti-diabetes medicines. A low carbohydrates, healthy diet and 45 minutes of brisk walk daily along with vildagliptin has been found to give very good result in people with type 2 diabetes. Let us see what is diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus, also called DM, commonly known as diabetes, is a group of metabolic disorders characterized by a high blood sugar level over a prolonged period of time. Symptoms often include frequent urination, increased thirst, and increased appetite. Diabetes is due to either the pancreas not producing enough insulin or the cell of the body not responding properly to the insulin produced. There are three main types of diabetes mellitus. Type 1 diabetes result from the pancreas failure to produce enough insulin due to loss of beta cell. The loss of beta cell is caused by an autoimmune response. The cause of this autoimmune response is unknown. Type 2 diabetes begin with insulin resistance, a condition in which cell fail to respond to insulin properly. As the disease progresses, a lack of insulin may also develop. The most common cause is a combination of excessive body weight and insufficient exercise. Gestational diabetes is the third main form and occur when pregnant women without a previous history of diabetes develop high blood sugar levels. Inhibitors of dipeptyl peptidase 4 or DPP4 inhibitors or gliptins. These are a class of oral hypoglycemic that block the enzyme dipeptyl peptidase 4. They can be used to treat diabetes mellitus type 2. The first agent of this class, sitagliptin. Contraindications: hypersensitivity. Special precautions while taking vildagliptin. Vildagliptin should not be taken by patients with known liver diseases. Renal impairment. Doses of vildagliptin oral 50 mg to 100 mg per day along with metformin or sulfonylurea like glimepiride, glipizide, etc. Side effects: hypoglycemia, sudden drop in blood glucose levels, delayed gastric emptying, stomach upset. Stevens-Johnson syndrome is a type of severe skin reaction. Swelling, face, lip, tongue and throat. Liver diseases, headache and dizziness, nausea and vomiting. Drug interaction, risk of hypoglycemia with other anti-diabetic drugs. Some brand names which are available in market: Dr. Vilda, Galvas, Jalra, Viglipt, Zomilis. Thanks for watching my videos. Hope you like it. Please share to your friends. Hit the bell icon button and subscribe my channel for my new upcoming videos. Thank you.